What if your job didn't exist in 2 years? From boardrooms to factories, machines are replacing humans. And today we're revealing 5 jobs AI is already destroying. Let's start with job number 1, customer service representatives. You've probably talked to an AI chatbot recently, and you may not have even noticed. That's the point. AI can now handle full customer conversations. No breaks, no emotions, no salary. Major companies are replacing entire call centers with AI that never sleeps. In the next 18 months, millions of customer support jobs could vanish. Job number 2, data entry and administrative assistance. Repetitive tasks, AI eats them for breakfast. From filling forms to sorting spreadsheets, advanced AI tools and virtual assistants are replacing admin roles. Companies are downsizing entire departments. Why hire 10 assistants when one AI does it all? Now let's look at job number 3, retail cashiers. Self-checkout was just the beginning. Now, smart stores use AI-powered cameras, sensors, and payment systems. Major tech retailers now use AI-powered checkout systems fully automated and human-free. And it's not slowing down. Coming in at job number 4, entry-level graphic designers. AI image generators and smart design platforms are producing logos, banners, and ad creatives in seconds. The result? Entry-level design work is disappearing. Top designers still have a role, but the low-hanging jobs are already gone. And finally, job number 5, paralegals and legal assistants. Law firms are using AI to scan thousands of legal docs in minutes. It can summarize contracts, pull case law, and even write legal drafts. That means paralegals, once essential, are being phased out. In some firms, they're already gone. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's replacing systems. How we work, how we learn, even how we think, it's all evolving. Subscribe to AI Insider and stay informed.